So embarrassing. The gym was getting boring anyway. Besides, there's a better option. I mean, let's face it. Gym memberships are costing you double what you pay for Netflix every month, but you use it as often as the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. My math teacher would be so proud. But with the NativPack, it's a one-time purchase for an all-in-one system. My wife loves it too. We usually fight over who gets to use it first.
There's Daddy!
Hey, buddy! It's okay, buddy. Just me and you now. Whether I'm at home or traveling, I work out more consistently because of the NativPack. With the average home gym costing between $2,000 to $3,000, the NativPack is an incredible substitute. Also, when you travel, you have no other option than to use the dinky old gym at the Motel 666 or no gym at all. With the NativPack, you can smash your workout and level up wherever you go. If health and fitness is your passion, and you've been looking for a product that can save you time, money, and give you the freedom to adventure without compromising the quality in your workouts, the NativPack is for you. It's all good if you've fallen off track. With the NativPack, you can make anywhere in the world your personal gym. Plus, we have online classes and programs you can access with your smartphone, from weight loss to strength training, mobility and HIIT. Join the pack.